Welcome to my channel, Fishing with Fabry. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe. What we're gonna be doing today is going on the lake, targeting giant northern pike. They're just getting done with the spawn, and they're coming up in the shallows to feed on bluegills, crappies. We're gonna be throwing big spoons, swim baits, jerk baits, and see if we can get any of these big girls that are hungry to connect. Alright, you guys, this is not something you see every day when you're out fishing. So, I can't believe this, but there's a truck. This must be from ice fishing season.
Oh, I see a cooler.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. This is nuts. Dude. It's a Dodge Ram. Sitting. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. You must see that. I can't believe they don't have that out yet. This is, but obviously they came out
8 feet of water.
late ice fishing, and ice wasn't saved and lost their truck. There's a shovel in the back, tire. What other kind of treasures? Gasoline.
Oil slick out of that thing.
Oh man, unreal. Ski. Oh, big northern, dude. Big northern. Big northern. All right, all right. We're back. We put the beak down on them. We ended up with 10 northern. We're gonna flay these up, take the Y bones out, and these are gonna taste awesome. It was an awesome day. We're gonna clean these northern up. AJ went to go get 2 new knives, and we're gonna show you guys how to take the Y bones out. So if you ever catch a northern, biggest thing, a lot of people don't like northern because of all the bones, but I'm gonna give you a tip and some technique on how to take those Y bones out. All right, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm filming this by myself. How to take the Y bones out. And first thing you gotta do is remove the rib bones. So we're gonna take these ribs out. Nobody likes to eat fish with bones in, so especially northern. Northern are known for these Y bones, and they're very bony. So people don't like them. I don't want to eat northern. I got too many bones. And when I was in high school, I went on a fishing trip up to Canada. And when we came back one night in the fish house, there was an old boy in there, and he showed me this technique on how to take the Y bones out. So, got to remove the ribs, get the ribs out, make sure you don't miss any of the ribs. Those are some big bones. Just clear those out. And cut this fin off. We don't need that fin on there. Get that fin out of the way. Usually remove those first. But, okay, so the Y bones run on a strip. Okay, you can actually see them and hear them. Ready? Okay, you can hear them right along there. So there's a lateral line. And I don't know how this is filming or if this is turning out. But I take my knife and I run that lateral line on the fish straight up and down. And I just push. So I go with my knife right down the lateral line on the fish. Just like that. And then I go above that lateral line about a ½ inch. And I make a cut down. And what I do then, I angle the knife towards the back of the northern. And I peel that meat away from the bones. So I angle the knife at an angle towards me. And I peel this back meat right off the Y bones. And there's a lot of different ways you can do this. But this is my favorite way. It's because it's how I learned how to do it. And then this first strip is your first meat. This is all good meat. And you can see the Y bones. Listen, ready? Those are all Y bones right there. We're going to take those out. So right now, this is a good piece of meat. Okay, so we separated that piece. Now I make this cut, and again, I'm going to do another angle towards me just to kind of peel that meat down and away. So I'm just working that meat, and I'm angling underneath it to the skin. And I'm just peeling it. And once you do it enough, now I'm going to grab this. This is the Y bones right here. Ready? Watch this. It's like a zipper. I grab this piece, and it just zips right out. Now with this chunk, this Y bone, what we'll do with this, we're going to pickle that. It's all bones, and when you pickle it, those bones all dissolve, and that is tasty. So we save that. Now for the rest of this, we just skin from the back, just like skinning any fish. We just skin the meat. This is all good meat. Now there's no bones. This is bone free. We just skin away, and you can chunk it up how you want, and you're good to go. And you got good meat. Northern is tasty. There you go. So hopefully that video turned out okay. We're gonna wrap the video up. It was a pretty fun day on the water. You couldn't have asked for a more beautiful day. Not sure what I got on the GoPro. My batteries weren't charged, so I know I didn't get a lot of good footage. But we did catch a vehicle in the water that fell through the ice. So that was pretty cool. AJ caught some monster northern. I had one. Big mama come up next to the boat, swiped at my bait, missed the spoon. And then I caught a bunch of little dinkers. I didn't catch anything big. AJ was the man. But I don't know what we all got, but hopefully we'll get some better videos in the future. And stay tuned to the next adventure of Fishing with Fabry. Got the air fryer going. We got the fish coming out. We're doing fish tacos.
I can pick you up.